Okay, this is going to be a really quick video today, just showing how I cut the pith cracks out of some of this Ambrosia maple wood. These are leftovers from some bench tops that I just trimmed off, and I figured I'd save these boards and just let them dry how they were going to and see what I ended up with. So once I cut the pith out of these boards, you'll see I actually end up with some really nice boards, and I put a few of them through the planer for you guys to see how they turned out. So I was really happy to see what kind of boards I ended up with, and I hope you guys like the video.